What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music lab now, hitting and smashing out. You already know what time it is. Yo, that mafia, we're back in the music lab, man. And you don't know, you see from the title, you see what we are doing with the young boss back in the building, you know what I'm saying? We got a young boss back in the blood cleat. In the music lab, today in Dog drop a new track, you see me, and then we gotta react to that. And this was also requested by Blu-ray 7, so shout out to you, Blu-ray. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, Dog just dropped this like a couple of hours ago, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, the last song we reacted to Intence was what? Was it Bad People? Or Same Night? No, we reacted to one. No, we reacted to Skenga Intence, right? Which is, I believe that, what was that? Chip? What was the name of that song? I believe it's, what was the name of the song we reacted to last? Let's check it out right now. You see me? And that song was dope as hell. You see me? A lot of people saying they was hunting for Massacre Head in that one. You see me? Yeah. Oh, the last one we reacted was King and Intence. You see me? That was TikTok. But before that, we listened to our Intence. Yeah, Chip. So yeah, the Intence song we listened to last was Chip. And that one they mad. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Not even me chain don't shake. Can't talk or shake. So yeah, Dog. Yeah, man. Dog killed it on that one. So but the Dog dropped one new track entitled Fresh, you see me? And from the sound night, it look like that going talk about, you know, talk you drip, you know what I'm saying? No life going, you know what I'm saying? Talk that good talk, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, so we're gonna see what Dog I deal with today. You see me? We're not gonna roll up the vibe much longer. Yo, that mafia, how y'all doing today, man? I hope y'all taking care of yourself, you see me? Yeah, man, I hope y'all feeling good. Hope y'all enjoying your weekend, you see me? And I hope y'all enjoy this video, you see me? So we'll jump right in and try this Intence Fresh. Let's get it.
Powered music.
They have a box orange juice, not so fresh. Exactly.
Not even a box orange juice, not so fresh, eh? Bumbo clean. Look like you're not gonna talk him shit on this one, man. Look like Intence ain't coming to play. He's gonna talk his shit on this. Let's get it.
KD made it.
I'll go so boom.
Tell him I look nice, tell him I roll out.
I'll go so. I saw me jump out fresh. Gold chain around my neck. I win the style when you know about this. Clean to the bone, I make skeleton Vicks. Must clean along with you.
So jump out fresh. I want to you, Dog. Yeah, see me clean to the bone, make skeleton. Yo, skeleton Vicks. But yo, wasn't I the one that was talking about yo? Ever since Intence cut him here, just the other day I was saying this shit. Ever since Intence cut him here, Dog, style and drip just turn up. You see me? Yeah, man. I'm like a dog I do with the thing that fresh dog look like a star and everything. You see me? I say, money up.
Like this, don't like them, no like me, I'm a dog like them. Oi, blood climb on your tape, I'm a crap. Move. It's like a drunk, I try to be up on the sales. Clean, get on my man. Keep my facts, I'm getting on my jeans. Earphones white like when I rub the cream. Brother.
Man say clean, you know what I mean? Came off the axe, so I'm getting on my jeans. Air Force white like my road with my cream. Blood clean. Air Force white like a blade it all now. You see what I say?
Splash, mix with the cream. Clean like we when I see that. Hello, fresh like Ado. 100 strong whenever I'm
yo, clean witness like we when I see that. Ah no, fresh like Ado. Fresh like bread from the bakery. You up to them one, stop playing.
Road, can't touch a link, better you go around. Inside, clean, quick pick, Snapchat snap. 19 rip jeans that car catch. Watch your team pull up not back row. Where the key, why pre can check. 14 my talking, I'm a girl and back pilot. Yo, so I pre yourself. Who buy go to buy land, who buy yard.
So you mean man, US for pilot a girl, tear dog go buy. We have who buy land, tear big blood clean respect.
Now we used to broke one time, give thanks. Jack food from a dog, laptop bad. Straight jeans, I'm a Air Force One mad. Hand play, why play God play. Several bills, some shoes, way talk pop. Mad bad, mad black, hand bam block. Ganja, epic and grand bags. Bad girl, where she so bam long. Canada.
Yo, the nigga flow going crazy. And the girls I'm going crazy in this. Y'all no good too. I wanna say that mafia. Like those. You know what I'm saying?
London, I saw me jump out fresh. Gold chain around my neck. I win the style when you know about this. Clean to the bone, I make skeleton Vicks. Must clean along with you. I'm a dog like this. Don't like them, no like me, I'm a dog like them. Oi, blood climb on your tape, I'm a crap. Move. It's like a drunk, I try to be up on the sale.
Blood wild clay man say mine on tip on my crib, you know. I come like a junkie, you know, better behave on yourself here. You see me say a wild clean. Eh? Can't go down say about the shoes. I have to be able to
Bad girl, I'm like, you know, I'm like, sight. She fuck girl, me no care, me no mind. Careless, circle down, enough for me, a wild life. Wild. Me get the pussy on the price, my pint. Easy. Me no see it, we a do it like night. Ticky, Sheffield, booze out, I kite fly. Pack a crazy syrup, and a Sprite. Aye, nah, here, Cooper mummy, don't sport, don't. Jack food from a dog lap.
And see how we a do it like Nike around here. I'm tear man. Eh? See how we a do it like Nike around here. We a lack of reaction space. I'm Tono man. Make sure you stay like and subscribe on. You see me I say a beer vibes there. I'm Tono. Yeah man, dog. But yeah man, seriously. Yo, ever since dog with him here, dog took a little break around the holiday time, but since dog come back, dog swag and everything, style and everything just turn up, dog. Yeah man, dog doing thing, man. Yeah man, Intence keep it up, dog. You see me I say, yeah, dog go like dog I start doing like numbers and everything gonna start increasing. I ain't gonna lie to you, dog. We coming back more relevant. Relevant, you know what I'm saying? Even though what the people I say, yo, the collab he did with Skeng, people was like, yo, Skeng I make Intence relevant again. But me not say Intence fell off, you know what I'm saying? But it did take a break. People been been missing for a little while. But ever since dog come back on the scene, dog thing just turn up, man. You see me I say? So yeah man, Intence better keep it up, dog. You see me I say?
Top buff, straight jeans, I'm a year force one goof. Hand play, why play God, oof. Several bills in my shoes, wait up, look. Mad bad, mad black, handbag, shook. Ganja, epic and grand bag, puke. Bad girl, where she so? Bam bam.
I'm going to die. Hey, better, hey. Yeah, we like those. Keep it up.
Look, Canada, London, I saw me jump over fresh. Gold chain round my neck. I win the style when you know about this. Clean to the bone, I make skeleton face. Must clean alone with you. I'm a dog like this. Them no like me, I'm a dog like them. Oi, blood climb on your tape, I'm a crap. Move. It's like a drunk, I try to be up on the say.
You see me, don't tap on my shoes now this. You see me, don't head get chipping at this. I'm tear man. Now move like a junkie, man. Watch you now walk, man. You walk and stuff. Yo. Up, man. Dog, then out with the blood clean yang. You see me, dog, you don't know Intence thing, yang badness, you know what I'm saying? And the yang comes from the whole bike thing. You see me, said I got the bike, you know, you see me, yang badness. Easy, you know. I mean, clean. Stop playing. Easy, no? Yeah, man, you don't know. That was Intence, Fresh. Yeah, man, new track for Intence, man. He did his thing on that, man. You know what I'm saying? More them vibes that the dancer scene wants. You see me? More party, more fun, more upbeat type of vibes. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Dog did his thing on that one, guys. Let me know anything about that in the comment section. Let's chop it up. Let's talk about it. You see me? Think he kill it? You know what I'm saying? You see me, dog? They look clean in that video, dog. You see me? Now the blood clean, no skin, the black and white. You see me? And also the other beach, some of the dog they have one. You see me? I say so. Yeah, man, it was a dope ass video. Girl, let me know it. Yo, clean and look bad now. You see me? The daddy demos out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, guys. So yeah, man. Yeah, dope track, yo. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Go ahead. Yeah, see me drop a comment. Let me know what your favorite part, music video, lyrics, song, everything. Just let me know what's your favorite part. Let's chop it up and let me know where you're watching from. You see me? Let me know if you want me to react to next. So then I don't know, I get it done. You see me? You're gonna get a shout out and all that. You know what I'm saying? You see me? So you like it, definitely go show the artist some of them support. Let you know so Jambisco and send you. You see me? I say. And till next time, guys. I don't know what time it is. The boy Jambisco. I was here now, hitting and smashing out. Banger. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.